Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to review your day on the I Am Sober application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Today button down below, which is the second option. And here at the top in the Today section, you can see the Review Today Now button. So tap on this blue section, and here you can see this question: did you stick to your pledge today in terms of your alcohol addiction and video games addiction? So tap on the relevant one and then click on the button Next. Select how hard was it today, from easy to impossible. Then click on the button Next, set your mood, and then what were you up to. So tap on the relevant one. You can set as many as you want to. Then click on the button Next, and then you can type in anything that you want about this day. So fill in these notes. Click on the Done button at the top, and here you can see that you have a review today, and you will be able to find all of your daily reviews at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.